So in and out 50 times, that's always fun. What I'm going to do is remove the metal that's on this brace with an air hammer, just to get up under it, kind of pretty much make it come off there. Always, if you're going to do this kind of work with rusty metal and stuff, work on old cars that are rusty, be sure you have an up-to-date tetanus shot. I mean, mine is fairly recent. I think I got it about 12 years ago. That was a joke, by the way. Pretty loud, ain't it? All right, so I pretty much got the main piece off there. I got fiberglass resin all down in that. Try to knock that crap off there. Okay. Take the 90-degree angle grinder with the 36 grit blaze disc on it and knock down these spot welds and smooth off the side where this little useless little piece was on that. I use are Blaze. They're Norton Blaze, and they're 2-inch. The 3-inch, they always flex when you're going at pretty high RPM. They tend to do this stuff. I like the 2-inch. You can do a really nice grind with it. Everybody's different. I can tell you the green cores, these will outlast a green core like crazy. And the other thing I like to do is normally the outer edge gets completely worn down. You still got some pretty rough stuff out here. I would go through here and cut this in a star pattern. Not a perfect star, just basically cutting off the old with a pair of 10 snips here. Just like that. And I'll get a little bit more life out of these discs because a box of 25 pieces is about 30 bucks. Alright, so I got the brace top flange cleaned up. I did bend this little edge right here down with the air hammer when I got it worked in there and pressed up on it, so I need to hammer this back out. I don't know if I have anything in here I could actually do it with, so I don't have to get out of the car again. Okay. Yep, can't get in there. Work myself in a corner. Damn it. Kind of awkward to get to under there. Still didn't get it out with the crap. And I need a pair of pliers to get that up. Dang it. dolly won't fit in there. Alright, so I just used the small hammer on the bottom for a dollar. I cannot believe I'm sweating like I am. Golly. It is just sultry out here, man. It's terrible. Okay. Man, that piece looks terrible right there, man. Really, really bad. You guys smell that fiberglass? We're man on minutes here. 14 minutes. Well, so you wanted to see the work, so well, there you go. It's only an all-day event, just getting everything prepped and ready. So I'm gonna have to pretty much cut out this area here. Replace this because this is very, very thin right here. There's definitely a hole here. There's another hole here. I'm not going to get down here on the flange right down here that sticks down. That's actually a pinch weld going across there that the toe board meets to the floor pan. I'm going to leave that because this is all still solid. I'm going to cut right at the top of it, right there. That way I don't lose any structure or anything. But anyway, I'll just replace this little section here. I may have to work something here to go around this, but I'll have to get in here and clean this up with a wire wheel on the drill, get down in there real good, and then I'll treat this with POR 15 on a brush and just glob it all down in this thing. That way it'll kind of stop that from going any further. Anyway, guys, that's another video on work. So now each one of these videos, you know, they're around 15, 16 minutes or whatever. It takes me almost 2 hours just to get it to YouTube. So I've got to import it to computer, upload it to YouTube. It has to do safety checks and all kinds of crap. It is very time consuming. So anyway, I'm gonna start posting videos, I guess.